Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit sunrise aesthetic photo in EPIK Photo Editor. So first, you need to prepare a photo with a view and the sky on it like this. And then after that, go to effects and choose sky. And here select on sunrise. And then after that, just wait until the Okay, so now the effect has been applied, and then you can adjust it into your liking. You can adjust the opacity and then the sky like this, and then after that you can adjust the reflection and the bird. You can go with like this. I'm going to go like that, and then you can adjust the filter or how much the filter that you want to apply. I'm going to just go with like 55 or yeah 55, and then go back and you can add text if you want. So I'm going to here comes the sun, and then I'm going to change its font. Can add it as you want. Okay, I'm going to use this ones right here. Okay, I'm going to go with like that, and you can add shadows if you want like that. Okay, and after that, add an aesthetic quote sticker. Go to sticker and find the aesthetic quotes. Okay, so here is the sticker. Just click on it and choose the stickers that you want with the aesthetic quotes. Okay, I'm going to use this ones right here. Click on the stickers and click again, and you can put the stickers in anywhere you want. I'm going to put it in at the bottom like this. Okay, like that, and here is the before and here is the after. And okay, so that's all for me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.